What is it like to experience all 10 dimensions of the universe at once? The zero dimension is just a point with no dimensions at all, and even though it does not exist in real life, we actually use it all the time. Like when you are heading somewhere, the location pin on your phone GPS is basically a zero-dimension point. It has no size and no shape, so even if we can drop a pin on a map, you literally cannot see it in real life, because it is just a placeholder in math space, used to show the exact coordinates of a spot. The first dimension is length. When we drag a straight line out of a zero-dimension point, we get the first dimension. It has no width or depth, just length, and it can go on forever. Imagine standing on a super straight road where you can only move forward and backward with zero sense of left, right, up, or down. So basically, 1D only covers moving in a straight line, like going straight from point A to point B. And right between those 2 points, you have an infinite amount of zero-dimension points. The second dimension is width. When we stretch that 1D line sideways, we create a 2D plane. Now we have length and width, but still absolutely no depth. If 2D creatures were real, they could slide around forward, backward, left, or right, but they could never jump off that flat surface or even wrap their heads around 3D shapes. The whole concept of width is everywhere in our daily lives, like when you walk through a door. Your brain subconsciously checks if you are actually going to fit. The third dimension is depth, which is the world we literally live in, used to measure the distance between objects. It gives us all these rich sensory experiences, letting us move freely in a 3D world full of solid objects and allowing us to feel their shape, size, and distance. But the universe we are hanging out in is way more than just that. The fourth dimension is time, linking the past, present, and future together, and giving real meaning to cosmic evolution and cause and effect. It is the reason we can look back at the past, vibe in the present, and look forward to the future. Kind of like watching a movie where you can drag the progress bar around, pause it, or play it in fast forward. But the catch is, in real life, time is like a river that only flows forward, meaning we can only walk from the past into the future with zero chance of turning back. But thanks to Einstein and his theory of relativity, time is not actually fixed. It flexes based on speed and gravity, giving us this crazy thing called time dilation. Which totally means that everyone experiences time a little differently. When a guy is moving at super high speeds or chilling in a crazy strong gravity field, time flows at a completely different pace for him. The movie Interstellar actually nailed it and showed off this time dilation effect perfectly. Next up, we are stepping into the fifth dimension and beyond. And honestly, your brain is about to be seriously tested. Since we are so used to seeing things in 3D, it is incredibly hard to wrap our heads around higher dimension stuff. It is just like a 2D creature trying to look at a 3D sphere. They would only see a line and totally miss the whole picture. The fifth dimension is parallel universes. Just picture a giant leafy tree right in front of you, where every single branch is a choice you made in life. Different choices shape entirely different worlds, and all these worlds run perfectly parallel to the one you are in right now. Based on current theories, the exact second you make a choice, a brand new parallel universe pops into existence. A different job, a different family, literally any choice branches out and makes you live out a totally different future. You could say the 5D space packs in every single possibility, laying out an infinite amount of life paths for you. The sixth dimension is parallel universes plus time. If the fifth dimension lets us vibe with worlds of different choices, then in the sixth, time connects them all, letting you see every parallel universe at once. Even though you can see how all these parallel universes link up, it does not mean you know everything that might happen or will happen. Because in this dimension, you are still stuck only seeing the past and the present, completely blind to the future. The seventh dimension is the multiverse. Imagine a massive cosmic library packed with every possible universe, each rocking its own starting conditions and laws of physics. It is like every book in that library tells a different story. Some are like our world, some are totally wild, some have insane tech, and others literally make magic real. The 7D space is essentially the librarian of this cosmic library who gets to check out every single universe, experience all these rules and possibilities, explore infinite variety, and witness the rise and fall of countless civilizations and crazy cosmic wonders. The eighth dimension is the multiverse plus time. It is a massive web linking the timelines of all universes, where every node is a major event that could spawn a new branch of reality. In this web, you get to see how universes interact with each other, like a big bang in one might create another, or a civilization in one universe could literally chat with guys in another. This 8D space exposes the crazy tangled connections between universes and how historical events shape cosmic destiny, basically showing us the epic big picture of universal evolution. But honestly, these insane higher dimension concepts only exist right now in the super imaginative brains of physicists. The ninth dimension is hyperspace. Imagine you are holding a piece of paper that you can fold into whatever shape you want, where every fold changes the starting conditions or physics rules, and every folding style spawns a brand new universe. That is exactly what the 9D space is, a dimension holding every possible law of physics and starting condition. It is almost like a cosmic creator that can build every imaginable and unimaginable universe, plus literally everything in every dimension. Totally showing off the infinite mashups of physics laws and starting conditions, along with the endless variations of cosmic structures. The 10th dimension is where the universe loses all sense of direction, time stops ticking, and literally every single possibility collapses into one single point. It is the absolute end and the beginning, where everything unites and the universe hits zero, feeling like nothing ever started, yet like everything has been there all along.